Alrighty, I'm going to demonstrate or show you a little bit about the Google Groups tab feature. So what you need to do first is make sure you have it enabled. So you got to go to your Chrome flags. Best way to do it is do a search for tab and look for tab groups. So it says it allows users to organize tabs into visually distinct groups, separate tabs associated with different tasks. Works on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and it's already enabled. If yours is not enabled, you'll have to enable it, and then what will happen is it will want to relaunch your Chrome browser. All right, so anyway, so now we got it. So what you need to do then is, if you want to start using it, is you just go to a tab and you just do a little right click and you add to a new group. So this one right here will be here if your tab groups is enabled. So you can just click it and a little circle will come up. If you don't like the circle, you can right click again. You can change it to a color, and you can also give it a name. So you can just say stuff. All right, and so anything that you think will be under stuff will show up with this. So if you have something else that you want to put under stuff, you can just slide it over, and now see how this is red and this is red. They're under the same group tab. So we go again. So now if you have a different one you want to do, you can go right click and you'll see you have a new one that says add to new group or add to existing group. So I'm going to add to a new group, and now it's a different color. So I'm just going to change it to blue, and then I'm going to call it news. All right, so now I got a group tab for news. I got a tab for stuff with 2. And then so I'm going to put this this one under news, and now I got 2 under news, and let's do one more. So I'm going to right click. So now I can put it here or here, and this is another one, and again you can keep renaming them. The bad part is if you have a different window. I'm going to bring a new window in. And you right click, you have to start all over. So that's not a lot of fun. That's not what we want to do. So let's get this out of here. So the bad part is that, and the fact that if you close these, they don't automatically go back to these tabs. So every time you restart your computer, or you close your tabs, then you have to redo it. So if I put, like, I got Reuters here under news, I close Reuters and then I reopen it, it doesn't automatically go back to that tab. So you have to invite it to the tab. And then what else can I tell you about it? It's kind of cool. Usually it's still under experimental phase, so it's still like a beta or whatever. And sometimes I've noticed that the remove from group doesn't pop up. So if you don't see it, just try again and it'll probably pop back up. So anyway, so that's how you do it. There's plenty of colors, so you can change the colors if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can change the name, or you don't even have to use a name. But it's kind of cool if you separate things. Gaming. Oops. So it's kind of cool. And then if you decide you want to move it to another tab, you can. It kind of gives you a visual, but I think it would be cooler as if it would stay under that tab group every time you closed it, but maybe that's something that's coming. Anyway, that's how you use it. Thank you. Till next time. Bye-bye.